Hi, today I have a super green soup for you, and this recipe is so easy. It tastes really good, and it's such a great way now that the weather is getting colder to warm up your body with something nutritious and light. So without further ado, let's get into the recipe. For this recipe, we'll need either one large zucchini or two medium zucchinis, and you will chop them into quarter slices. I like to do this by first cutting long ways twice and then slicing it up. Next, you will need 5 to 6 celery sticks. Cut them into large slices. You will also need 2 to 3 cups of green beans chopped into thirds. Next, you will need 3 to 4 large handfuls of spinach or any other leafy green of your choice. You will also need 4 to 5 cups of veggie broth, which I have a recipe on how to turn your veggie scraps into veggie broth that I will link up here as well as in the description below. And if you do not have veggie broth on hand, you can simply use water. Finally, you will need some seasoning. Today I used 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. If you're not using veggie broth though, I would recommend a little bit more seasoning so it gives it some more flavor. When you have all the ingredients ready, take a pot and add into the pot the zucchini, celery, green beans, and the seasoning of your choice. Mix them together. Stir them all up with the veggie broth or water. Bring the pot to a boil and then reduce the heat. Let it simmer and cook for about 20 to 25 minutes until the veggies are soft. Add in the spinach or any other leafy greens of your choice and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes on low heat. Turn off the heat and blend up the soup. You can either blend it up using a blender stick, or what I like to do is to transfer it into a blender cup and blend it until smooth. I find it gets much smoother and creamier in a standing blender rather than using a blender stick, but it is up to you and what you have. Then it is time to serve and enjoy. I really like to add some miso into this in order to give it a little bit more flavor and creaminess, but it's of course optional. I also normally like to freeze about half of this soup in order to eat it at a later time. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like it. It really makes my day and helps me out with the algorithm. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe down below to join the Living Life Simply community and never miss another video. You can find the full recipe in my blog, which will be linked down below. And feel free to let me know in the comments below if you give this a try, and share this video with whoever you think might enjoy it. I will see you very soon with a new video. Bye!